Best strategy for binary options, part 5. Let's go to add the Bollinger bands again. And let's go to add to the RSI indicator. Let's go to settings with the RSI. Change the periods 80 for 20. Let's go to change the Bollinger bands for 14 and 2. How we are going to trade with this? Let's go to check it out with the scenario. And the moment crossing the moving average inside our Bollinger bands and crossing to our RSI indicator of the period 50, going to the direction of the RSI indicator, we are going to trade follow that direction just for 1 minute or 30 seconds, depends on what time frame you want to trade. So in this case, I took the trade for 1 minute. Trade going to the up direction. I think enter maybe a little bit later, but can be a good results even that delay that I have with this trade. So we have the first one in the morning. Let's go to take this seriously and trade for $1,000 per trade with this super strategy for binary options. So in this case, we have the same scenario, waiting for it. Let's go to change another currency, crossing the moving average, crossing the RSI. That's only that I'm waiting for. Here we have a good scenario. Let's go to wait the RSI indicator. It's gonna cross it and we are gonna trade for 1 minute. My screen was frozen for a few seconds, but we have this one in the money. This is the way you can use it. This strategy, the chart you can look in it for 30 seconds. You trade for 1 minute or 30 seconds, waiting to cross in the RSI indicator the period 50 for different directions. You know, if crossing going up, you trade for a call only in the moment they cross into the moving average inside the Bollinger bands. And contrary of that for sales directions. Maybe we can find another good example. Maybe this one can be a good one. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel, activate the notification bell, leave your comments, put in practice this story. Actually, it's one of the best ones that I saw in this series of videos with the best strategy for binary options. I consider it, maybe this one can be, I don't know, maybe one of the best ones. We can find it or look in it inside the best strategies for binary options, and you can have a really good results with this strategy for binary options. So let me know what do you think about this strategy. Put in practice. I really hope so this video like it. This is the last trade. Even I took it later and was a good trade. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you in the next wave.